Good morning, good afternoon, or whatever time of day it is for you. So if I'm feeling a bit annoyed, because this is my fourth time recording this, and I found out my hand was covering the speaker all other times. So this goes good. And shout out to my dead buddy Alex. And he really likes dumb stuff my dog does. And we're on part 5 or 4. Okay, so 5 or 4. Okay. We're trudging through the jungle in search of a beast. Ah! Ah! He likes playing with sticks yeah. Look into his cold, lifeless, dead eyes. He's like saying, "Hello, Alex. Hello. Hello, Alex." Or whoever else's name is Alex, or just hello, everyone. Oh no, I like that stick. Now look how far he can run. Run. Run, stick. Run, stick. Ah! Chase it! I may have thrown it onto the roof. You can't get in there. Right, he likes running around after this tyre. Come on, Ruben, jump through! Cheer him! Ruben! Yeah, go! And then he shakes, and then goes at it again. This was my tyre swing, but now Ruben kind of plays with it, so it's basically his tyre swing now. I'm guessing my dad had quite trouble tying it up. Well, we found it, you see that little knot there? We found that, and then my dad did an awesome cowboy throw or something. Come on, Ruben, you can do it! Okay, that seems to be the end of this episode. Sorry it's not so long. Yeah, this might be the final. I'm sorry. It might be. Ready and face reveal. Okay, so yes. Oops, my camera just went a bit berserk there. So yeah. See ya. Okay, yeah, so this is my left hand, but probably look like my right hand for you, or something. No, it'll still be my left hand or right hand. I don't know. Hello. You want to say goodbye? Ruben, come here, Ruben. Come here. See? He's off to greet you wishes this Christmas. Oh yes, and I'll try to do a Christmas special. I forgot to do my Halloween one because I was at my friend's for Halloween. Because I live in a deserted place. Oh, look, a house. Who lives there? I don't know. Probably Voldemort. Okay, I'm running. Okay, that seems to be the end. Subscribe, bye.